everyone. In today's lesson, we will see how to work with data analytics using SQL or Oracle SQL. So, we will here do some basic data analysis on some data. I have some tables in front of you. Okay, this is a employee HR tables. Okay, so regarding attendance and salary. So we have 4 tables. One is employee monthly information, which contains employee attendance, and one is employee salary, one employee master, and one section master. Okay, let us just go through the data once and see what we are going to use. In one of the query, we will use section master, employee salary, and in another query, we will use section master, and employee monthly info. So let us first check with employee monthly info. See, employee monthly info, we have month year, we have employee ID. Okay, forget about employee code. And here what we have some data. Okay, we have some figures like FHS days, which is festival holidays, CL days, which is casual leave days, EL days, which is unleave days, and WP days, which is leave without pay days. So we will find out suppose casual leave days, unleave days, leave without pay days, okay, of a particular employee, and the percentage of average leave taken in a certain month for a particular section, department, and we will just compare his the employees' CL days or casual leave days with the total average number of employees of department casual leave days, and I'll find out the percentage. Okay, so we will find out for CL days, EL days, working days, and everything. Okay, in the same way, for the salary, what we will do, we will take the gross pay. Here we have to gross pay. So we will take the gross pay of a particular employee and the average gross pay of a particular month of a particular department and find out the percentage, what percentage of salary he received. So that is our statistical analysis, and we have a few SQL code. So first we will go for the employee attendance. So we will start with the working days. And let us first arrange this one in a proper fashion so that we can understand. Okay, so this is our SQL code. So just bring it a little down. Okay, so what we have employee code, employee name, employee grade, section name, month, year, working days, average working days, and working days by average into 100, which is percentage. So we have got this from our nested loop, which is our exact SQL. Okay, we have employee code from employee name, employee grade from employee master, section name from section master, month, year, working days, and here we have one analytical function. Okay, average. Okay, which is actually calculating with the partition by section ID. I told you I find out the average on section, department ID, month, year, and employee grade. Okay, because we are actually working here with employee, a particular grade of employee. Like here we have worker. Okay, factory workers. We are working on that. Okay, so what we have done? We have done one left outer join. We have taken employee master, section master from where we are getting this field, and this is the function which is actually working here. Everything working days over partition by section ID, month, year, and employee grade. Okay, so we will run this. See what we have. This is for a particular employee for all the months. Okay, so you see here we have working days 13, average working days 11.27. So his contribution is much. more than 100%, that is 115.3. Okay, so if you go down, you see there are less working days also. Okay, you can also sort this. Okay, let us do one thing. We sort this in. Let us take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Order by 8 in descending order. Okay. Eight DSC. Okay, we sum up which is blank because if you have taken in view, then this would be solved. Maybe it will come 0%, but still. So here we have, I think it's not still right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, it is so. Oh, DSC, I have done in DS descending order. So I'll delete this and do it in ascending order. I run it again. See, 0 working days. We have some employees didn't work at all, and this have, see, 1, 2, 3. So this is one analysis, and suppose we want to do it on sections. On section ID, not month year. So I drop this month year. Drop it. Better if we just comment it and not remove it. You can use it later on. So this will be ordered by 7. So we'll get a total how much he has worked. Let us not complicate this. Okay, now, right now in this case it is not possible because working days are on month. So in that case we have to first sum up the working days for a year. Okay, so I'm not going into that. So now what we do, we just come here and we change it to, say, absent days, LWP days. Average LWP. In the same way we'll change it here. And here also. Equal to 0. Okay, so in this case we have to write one decode statement. Decode AVG LWP 0, then 0 else round. Okay, let's say where and LWP days greater than 0. stop this. Okay. Okay. See. So we have the percentage. Okay. It is the average absent of the section and how much his absent is. Okay. So this is somehow some analytical functions is there. Okay. So you can see that some are 14 days absent out of 15 days, okay, or out of 30 days. So in that case, the average is very less. So his absent is far more. So this is one employee attendance, and now I will take an example of employee salary. Let us design a test scheme. Okay, and first run this. Okay, so you can see average pay is 6,873. Okay, so here also we can do the same. Like it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we just put order by 7. Okay, so many gross pay 0. Okay, I'll do one thing. This is here we have two type of employees, one worker and one staff. So we should not compare staff with workers. So we can say where EMP grade okay, now it's correct. See, there are some manager employees, some higher level employees who have a very good salary, and some staff level or their office boy level employee who have less salary. So we have all the percentage who is getting what. Okay, so this is all about this is the first lesson. We will come out with more interesting analytical functions, okay, analytical tasks, okay, where I will show you more interesting thing, how to get data like this, okay, what employees have worked more, what employees have worked less, okay, how many employees have done more overtime, how many employees have done less overtime. So there we can do a lot of analysis. So what we will actually use, I will use SQL analytical functions, different type of analytical functions is there, and we will continue with our data analytics tutorial with this. Okay, I hope you like this, and please do comment if you have any questions, and also tell me if you don't like something about this video. Okay, please comment and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.